Alright, this one's a little bit more complicated. First, we're going to make a third costume. Click on one of the costume 1 or 2, click on copy. And then when you see costume 3 come up, click on edit. And change the cat sprite in some way. I'm going to make it so it's closing its eyes. I put it across the eyeball, and then I take this eyedropper tool, collect the color of the cat, so I make the eyelids the same color, the paint bucket or the fill tool, fill in the colors above and below the eyelids so it looks like he's closing his eyes, and click OK. So now we have 3 different costumes. Click on the Scripts tab, and you have if costume equals 1, then switch to costume 2, otherwise switch to costume 3. Now you want it to say if costume 1, switch to 2, if costume 2, switch to 3, if costume 3, switch to 1. To do this, you want to embed an if statement inside the other statements. Let me get this out of here. I'll delete that. So when you say if costume 1, do this. Otherwise, and then you put the if block inside that else. Else if, and then we will go to the operators. Click and drag equals, go to looks, click and drag costume number, and put if, you know what, I just realized, I don't even want the if block, I want another if else block. So click on control, and click the if else block and put it under the other else. So now you have if costume 1, switch to costume 2, else if, then we'll have costume equals 2, and we'll take this switch statement and say switch to costume 3, and then else or otherwise, click switch to costume number 1. Try that out. We're on costume number 2. That's not right. No, we're on costume number 3. So click on it. There it goes to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's it.